All right, I have got a fun class project for you. This tomato, that chopping board. Okay, the rules are in the class projects Word doc. This one here, class project focus area. Both the files are in project 3. And the rules of engagement are you have to use the focus area to get started. You'll have to tweak it using anything you like, but probably select and mask. And the one that I'm interested in is how good your shadow ends up being. It's not a graded test. Everyone's going to do something different, but please post what you do. Even if you think it's bad, it might be bad. That's okay. Your post might make somebody else feel better when theirs is average, yours is bad. It makes them feel good. Plus, we're all here to learn. So post it and tell us what you did, okay? How you did it. Whether you can do the detached drop shadow option, or you might just paint it in. Let us know what blending mode you used. Maybe you didn't use black for the shadow. Maybe it was a brown. Try and make it look realistic. You have to work out which way the light's being cast. It looks like from there, from this one, slightly different from this one. You don't have to just use these features here. Make sure you do these, but you can use anything else to kind of color grade or add noise. Anything you like for the class project. And at the end, post it at any of these places up here at the top. I'd love to see what you do. Onward to the next video.